Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Projectivity application using the code method into your Android TV, your TV box, or your Google TV. This method will work with any device running an Android operating system. For this method, we're going to be using the downloader application. The downloader application can be gotten with the tutorial I put in the link in the description below. Watch that tutorial and you understand how to download the download application. When you have the download application installed, click on it to get in. You're going to hit on the home tab and you'll be prompted to put in a code. The code for our Projectivity application is 714687. Make sure you have the right code or this is not going to work for you. After putting the code, hit on the go button and automatically your download should begin in a few seconds. Be patient and wait for your download to begin. You may be wondering what TV box I am using. This has served me for a very good long time and it is the Slim TV box. You can see the download almost complete and we are coming to a successful download of the Projectivity application. Now that the Projectivity application is installed, you hit on the install button. Give it some seconds and we install the Projectivity launcher into your smart TV. When finished, you hit on the done button and you will see the download path. This is the download file and you are prompted to delete it from your device to save space. Hit on the delete button and you can go back home, exit the download application, and you will find the Projectivity application in your app store, on your app drawer rather. You can see it, click on it and you're going to start using it. That is the end of today's tutorial. I'll be waiting to see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe if you found value in this tutorial.